Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. We're going to bring you another original design. This is the Kilimanjaro knot, named after the mountain that's found in Tanzania. It is the tallest mountain on the continent of Africa. And this is going to be a tall knot. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. This is going to be at the belt line. And we're going to come over, we're going to put in a fold here, and we're going to bring it over here to the center, and we're going to bring it up and over. And this is a dark tie, so you might not see all the details, so I'm going to walk you through it step by step. We're going to come around here. We're going to come down, we're going to make a delta like this. We're going to fold it excuse me, in half. We're going to come underneath here like this. We're going to come around like this. Fold it in half still, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come through this top one, fold this in half, and we're going to create the mountain. Bring this back around here like this. Fold it in half and bring it through here. So you have that. And then you have the peak here. I'll go ahead and put this down. So you have this peak here, and then you have this little one up here. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Go check out Stylish Leadership. We have great content over there. Peace and God bless.